Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. So today we are going to be using this YSL makeup palette. It's on the chopping block. So it looks just like that. Actually no, we're not. I did want to use this blush. I said that yesterday. I did want to use that, and obviously I've got my cheek products on, so I can't use it. I have just used this Kors palette, this multi-purpose sun-kissed Kors palette, which is really nice. So I think I'm going to save that for tomorrow. I think though I was going to use the Lick and Lash Beauty one, so I think I'm just going to use that instead. So I was going to use them both together in conjunction. So I will still use this Lick and Lash Beauty because I did want to do some looks with it. Oh, this has got a shade. So I'm going to dip into this first just to set my base rather than going into the milk chocolate one. Where's my mirror? Zoom in. That's a lot darker than the milk chocolate. I think the batteries in my light are going as well. Right, so this Lick and Lash Beauty is on the chopping block. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Jaclyn Hill one. Doesn't have a number on it or anything like that. I just don't know if I want to keep it. I'm being drawn towards these greens. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm really being drawn towards that. But I always use greens. I think I'm going to use it, and I'll do another look another time with something else. In the crease though, I'm not going to go in with green. That'd just be too much. Maybe that in the outer V. Right, so okay, maybe start off with this one. Gonna go in with my Morphe crease brush that I've absolutely been loving using. I wish I could tell you shade names, but this palette doesn't have it, so we're just gonna that's not actually doing anything. We need to go darker. Right, what else is there in here? Maybe this one. So this palette is quite old at this point. So it's just whether I still want to keep it around for a while longer. That's working a lot better. Yeah, that's nice. Right, so now I need my Morphe oval round brush that I've got, which I'm also loving. And this could be a mistake, but I'm going to go in with this forest green down here. Which isn't the best green. Just having to build it up to get the right amount of pigmentation. And I'm not going to put it through the crease because it's just going to make that brown muddy. And I'm hoping the left eye won't water. I'm always having so much trouble with the left eye. The struggle is definitely real. Yeah, I think I want to cut my crease as well, so I'm just going to get my concealer. Okay, let's see what we can get out of this Revolution Conceal and Define. I want that, I think it's called Canvas Cut Crease by Revolution. I want to get that, I think, next. Okay, where's that mirror? So I'm just taking it to where that green is there. So are you surprised that I've chosen green as my first eye look with this palette? When I saw this palette on the website, I couldn't get the Jaclyn Hill one, it had completely sold out. And the Jaclyn Hill one was about £15 more. And I just thought it looks so similar. And the Jaclyn Hill one you can actually get now, but I believe they've changed the formula, so I don't feel like I want to do that. Jen Loves Reviews said a while ago that it's actually not as good. She recommended it to a sister, I think, and a sister said it wasn't a good palette and she couldn't believe it, but then she checked out the ingredients and whatnot and she did an entire video on it, and it's not the same formula. So yeah, they've completely changed the formula, which sucks because why change something that everyone loves? So yeah, I think what I'm going to do now is just go in with my, I call it a packing brush, but more if you call it a blending brush, so it's this one here. I've really been enjoying using that one. And I'm going to go in with that green shimmer here. Just have a little bit of hard pan on it. So it's just going to make that other green. It's going to look like just green, like you can't really tell a difference between the two greens, even though one's matte and one's shimmer. I'm hoping I'll be able to build up the pigmentation of this shimmer. Part of the reason I want to declutter this is I don't really like having big palettes in the collection. There is just nowhere to put it. But that's not a reason to declutter. Right, let's spritz the brush before I even go in with inner corner highlight. And another reason I want to keep it is because it's just got so much variation in the palette. And then you've got your pops of colour. I'm not matching today, that's for sure. Put on a red dress. My eyes are green. Oh well. Then I think I want to go back in with that same Morphe brush and blend it out a little bit. With no extra product, I'm just blending it out. Yeah, and then we're going to go in with this smoky eye brush and find a shade for the inner corner. I think I'm going to use this one down here. Now, where Lick and Lash went wrong with this palette, in my opinion, is not to put names on the eyeshadows. I don't ever remember getting a sheet with it. Okay, lastly, then I'm going to go in with my angled brush and go in with that matte green that I used earlier, just all over the lash line, which I should have cleaned it. Yeah, I'm liking that. Very, very green. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner if I can find it. I think I'll just use the Ted Baker one, I can't find it. So this one is going to be the next on the chopping block anyway, so we may as well use it. Not on the chopping block, sorry, it's Shop My Stash. Then I'm going to go back in with the Essence Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara. Yesterday when I used it, it was really, really clumpy. It's transferred again. So I'm not loving it. I wouldn't repurchase it. I like how it makes my eyelashes look more defined. It's just not one of Essence's best mascaras in my opinion. I'm going to go in just with my finger in this green shade again, just purely because it's transferred. Just tapping it on. Right, so that's the palette in all its glory. We're going to be using this tomorrow with the YSL one, and then I'll make a decision whether I want to keep or declutter. So yeah guys, that is the Lick and Lash Beauty. Can't give you a number of it because it didn't come with one. I did have two palettes by Lick and Lash Beauty, but I gave one to my niece because I knew that I wasn't going to use it. But yeah guys, this concludes the look. I should really have a more neutral lip on, but I'm going to keep this one on for this video. So this concludes the look guys, so that's what we're looking like. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crazy little fam. I'm currently working on a giveaway that will go up in the next month or so, so I'd really like you to be a part of that. Please share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.